How to turn on auto volume adjustment on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto volume adjustment on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and click this three lines in top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find accessibility, and here you will find auto volume adjustment. And if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, auto volume adjustment have been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, click on it. You can change it just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.